Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can recover your old Free Fire account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Free Fire app. And then on your Free Fire app, you can see the option of sign in with Facebook. You tap on it. As you can see, if I tap on continue as my Facebook's username, I've been logged into my Free Fire account. However, this is not the account I'm trying to log into. What I'm gonna do to log into my older Free Fire account is I go back and open Facebook. After that, I tap on the top right corner of the screen on the hamburger menu, scroll down and tap on log out. Confirm that I want to log out. After that, I'll be logging into my old Facebook account with which I have created my old Free Fire account. As you can see, I'm logged into my old Facebook account. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reopen Free Fire again. Then tap on the settings icon that appears on the top right corner. After that, I tap on the logout button that appears on the bottom right corner. Tap on logout. After that, I'm going to tap on sign in with Facebook and then tap on continue as Ava, which is the account with which I've associated my old Free Fire account. As you can see, I've been logged into my old Free Fire account, and that's how you can recover your old Free Fire account as well. But what you need to keep in mind is that you remember your old account with which you created your old Free Fire account so that it's easier to just sign in with Facebook or sign in with that account on Facebook. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.